Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love bite. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here, we welcome you as well, Aquarius. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, Magician, center of my spread. Okay. Somebody's looking for healing here. Some things have kind of gone wrong here, Aquarius, with a soulmate connection. Now maybe some bad memories are created between two people. Somebody's making a decision, weighing out maybe their pros and cons, feeling rather depressed at the moment. This person is in magician mode, manifesting the ending of something. Not wanting to put the work in anymore, not wanting. What is this? Somebody is here, the magician is upright, right? But all the other cards are like of releasing the devil, not wanting this brand new beginning, leaving somebody out in the cold, not wanting to put the work in, and finding balance through that. This is amazing what's happening here. So Aquarius, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll begin the reading. Aquarius and their person spirit. Okay. Let's take a few from here. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person spirit. Okay. And I'll take a couple more from here. Oh. Aquarius and their person spirit. Okay. All right, Aquarius, let's begin your reading. You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is, in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do with you. It drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? I can't hide anything from you. I hope this person's not doing some magic or something, because the magician in reverse with all these cards. Okay. When I'm feeling low, I close my eyes and I can feel your presence comforting me. I'm so grateful for our mystical connection. I'm involved with someone else, and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire, waiting for you. Don't let the past dictate the future. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you'll understand I need time. I will wait for you as long as I have to. Okay, so Aquarius, if these messages are resonating, let's start your reading and let's see what's going on here. Very intriguing reading today. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels will bless this reading. With a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Confidence. Oh, Aquarius. This confidence, this card is actually the card of Archangel Michael. And this is a sword of truth. It sometimes is used to cut away toxic people from your life. Release and cut away things which no longer serve you. Very interesting read today. What's the Six of Cups spirit in reverse? And the Lovers in reverse? Lovers in reverse? Oh, no wonder. Okay, and the Two of Pentacles? One more, Two of Pentacles. Okay, there's some toxic energy. So what's happening here? There is a friendship which is going wrong here, Aquarius. There is a Queen of Wands in the upright who's now planning to kind of end something, stop something. They've got some clarity about someone, maybe the person that they're dealing with. Maybe they've recognized that that person is maybe a player or is immature or is never going to bring them any kind of stability. So they're making a decision, making a choice here. Maybe they felt that their partner was maybe juggling them. So now their choice here is, is this friendship worth it? Or is my happiness, where lies my happiness? In this past person? Or should I just move away and find happiness for myself? This is the dilemma here. What should I do? Should I stay with my past or should I move towards my future? What's going to give me wish fulfillment? They don't want to be in any kind of stress or sleepless nights or tension anymore because they feel that person is a bit of a narcissist. Maybe always wants to, my throat is choking up, sorry. Yeah, so they feel the person is some kind of, dictator and always playing mind games with them, making them feel not good enough. So this Queen of Wands is deciding to take back their power, take back control of their life and say, hey, listen, I'm pulling back my energy and I'm making a decision now that no more of this. I'm not going to, be subject to this kind of behavior. So what's this Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Four of Cups in reverse. Yeah, somebody is not wanting to give any offer or accept any more offers from. They feel there's been too much imbalance. There's too much imbalance here. I think this whoever this Queen of Wands is now is kind of taking back their power, taking back their energy, guarding themselves, maybe closing out a chapter here and concentrating on themselves. They put all that effort, energy, instead of putting it into this Knight of Wands, they're pulling back their energy and bringing something to an ending here. So what's this Magician energy? I'm very intrigued, Spirit. What's this Magician? Okay. Yes, see, what happened was this. Some secrets are out now. Some news came out. Some secrets got revealed. I think initially it put this Queen of Wands into a very, very stressful place. They were very stressed out. Maybe they thought about it and then decided that it's better that I end this connection now. I end it and maybe go and see what else is out there. I think this Queen of Wands is now manifesting a brand new beginning and no longer now wanting to put in any more work into this past person. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, calling an end. This is the end. I don't want to work on this connection anymore. This brings me too much unrest. Gives me too much stress and tension. I think that's the choice being made here. They're releasing this toxicity from their life. They feel their relationship has become not good. So they are cutting off. Yes, they're using this sword of, say, Archangel Michael and kind of Devil in reverse. Yes. I think they're calling judgment on their person. They're calling judgment on their person. No more second chances to be given here. I don't want to start anything new. I have to heal myself and concentrate on myself now. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Whoever this Queen of Wands is, I think has been listening to their intuition. They've gone silent. They're listening to their intuition. I think trying to balance out this imbalance which has been created in their life. Whoever this Queen of Wands is now gone into self-love mode. They've put that lid on that cup of love and saying, hey, no more. I'm not giving you anything anymore. I'm saving all my love for me. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Whatever's happening here, there is a lot of healing going on, but after this feeling of feeling abandoned or left out, or either the Queen of Wands is doing it to this King of Wands, I do see after a period of maybe rest and healing and wishing, praying, whatever, there is some offer of love coming to this Queen of Wands. This is going to be a good emotional offer, Aquarius. I don't know who this is. Can I have one more card, Spirit, on the Knight of Cups? Knight of Cups. Oh, somebody has been watching you. Somebody has been watching you who loves you very, very much. Queen of Wands. I hope that's you, Aquarius. If you're leaving behind somebody that doesn't work for you and you've taken the time and to heal and take care of yourself, there is somebody who's been watching you from afar, has, even if maybe you know this person, maybe you don't know this person, but they've been maybe checking up on your social media or something. This person has a lot of emotion for you. They are coming in with a love offer. This is a heart full of love. So don't feel this way. If you're feeling this way, that, hey, I've been abandoned or left out, or I don't have love in my life, please know that there is somebody coming quickly towards you. Look at this. This is beautiful. But it comes after a little time that you'll take to heal and take care of yourself. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.